Morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good, you?
Can you take me to one ride? Up and down, please. How many elevators do you guys have in this building? Just two of them?
Floor?
How many elevators? Just two?
Just one.
It says card 2 on it, on the COP.
Just one for the public.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you send me down to 1, please? Just taking a ride on the elevator.
No problem.
What's the name of this place? Osgoode Hall.
Osgoode Hall.
Okay. When is this elevator being built?
Well, that's probably 100 years ago.
Okay. I'm gonna do my cabin right now before I go back up to 2. Let them go up. I can.
Well,
Hey. Taking pictures at the elevator. I can go back up anyways.
Oh, it's we're on for 2 more? Sure. Oh, we can walk up.
oh, you know the rest stairs. I can walk up.
What's on the 3rd floor? Is that another?
To the office.
Oh.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good day.
I'm doing my cabin right now before I get off for a sec.
No worries.
Cause I'm a huge fan of elevators too.
Oh, yeah?
Thank you.